Your software can't find its instructions because the Gluegen-rt Library DLL is gone. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to restore that connection. Avoid long manual edits for Gluegen-rt library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Gluegen-rt library, the GlueGen Runtime library. It manages the unmanaged localized JNI, Java native interface bridge between localized Java code and localized native C and C++ libraries, facilitating localized cross-platform hardware access. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The verified solution for this error is a clean reinstall of JOGL. Visit Microsoft to download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and run the installers to replace the file. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Gluegen-rt library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Gluegen-rt Library DLL. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Gluegen-rt library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Gluegen-rt library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.